Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in the video I'm going to be showing you how to get your Switchbots into HomeKit using a Homebridge plugin. Now as you can see here is my Homebridge plugins. I have Homebridge UI, I have my Sesame Homebridge plugin for my Sesame Smart Lock, and right here is the plugin that I use to get my Switchbots into HomeKit. This plugin is the Homebridge Switchbot Open API plugin. This plugin is no longer supported, but for some reason this is the only plugin I can get to work with my Homebridge setup. But to get this plugin, or to get any of the other Switchbot plugins, you just go to the plugin section on Homebridge and you search for Switchbot. If you cannot get the verified one to work for you, which is this one, you can install this one, but it is no longer supported by the developer. If you can, please install the first one with the verified badge. Now after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to plugins, you are going to click on settings. Now here is where you are going to get your Switchbot token. You need to go into the app. You need to click on your name and you need to tap app version 10 times. Once you tap it 10 times, it's going to give you this token right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come back to the plugin and you're going to paste your token. Then you're going to go down to advanced settings. You can leave all this stuff as it is, but now you want to click on Switchbot device settings and bot settings. Now here is where you're going to put in your switch mode bots. So the ones that you're using with a light switch would go here, and the ones that you're using to press buttons will go underneath in the press mode bots section. Now as you can see, I have quite a few switch bots. Now when you're typing in the IP address, which you also need to get that from the app, and you also need the Switchbot hub, either the hub mini or the regular hub. I have the hub mini, and you need to make sure that cloud service is enabled. Now when you get the IP address from the app, you need to make sure that you take out the colons in between the numbers and the letters. If you do not take out the colons, this plugin will not work. I spent 3 days trying to figure out why my Switchbots weren't working, because they were showing up in the Home app, but it was not working with Homebridge. And after 3 days, the reason for them not working was because I did not remove the colons in between the MAC addresses. As long as you have no colons in your MAC addresses for your Switchbots, then they will work flawlessly. Turn on the center lights.